Hey, could the NASDAQ be hitting a major supply area? Are we in for a big rejection on the NASDAQ? And could the SPY actually be carrying us and continue to push us through a bull market? Let's find out. It's your boy. Hey man, you know who it is. It's your boy Wall Street Shooter, and I'm checking in for the gang. Earners, what's happening? Hey man. Hey, hey. It's getting a little spicy right now, man. It's getting a little spicy right now. I want to kind of talk to you guys about what I've been seeing from the SPY and the NASDAQ, man. The NASDAQ's been strong in the game. Big tech carrying us through this nice little bull rally that we had. People making money. Everybody celebrating. CPI, PPI data coming through. Everyone's happy. But is the chart telling us? What is the chart telling us, people? I know what everybody else saying on the internet, the interweb. Everyone's happy on Twitter. People are dancing on YouTube. The recession, the bear market is over, but is it truly over? I'm not here to scare y'all, nothing like that. I'm just looking at the chart, man, and just give you my perspective on what I'm seeing. You can disagree or agree, man. You know, we can talk about it in the comment section. Before we get into it, make sure you hit that like. If I earned that, please hit that like. Share this video with your partners and them. I appreciate you guys. You guys run it up for the kid, and I love you. I love you for it. And if you want to stay connected with the content, click the bell. Be a part of the Earners Club. You get the notification. You feel me? And if you want to be part of the Earners Club with BNP Capital, the link is in the bio. Go ahead and click that. Enough of that, man. Let's get into the chart, boss. Yeah, Sersky. Hey, so I'm gonna kick this off with the triple Qs, man. Triple Qs, like I was telling y'all guys weeks ago. I'm not here saying like I said, nah, I'm just saying we talked about this already, earners. We talked about this many weeks ago. We said if the market was gonna pump, it's gonna be due to the earnings for the big tech companies. And look what they have been doing. They've been carrying us, but it's like the LeBron Lakers right now with the young bulls. They've been carrying us, man. I mean, look at the percentiles. The number don't lie. Let's look into it from early June all the way up to now. We're up 22.5%, holding it down. But what concerns me, why everyone is, dancing the streets and screaming kumbaya, right? I'm not excited yet. Right? These lines represent here. I'm looking at strictly SMAs right here, right? SMAs. This is my 100 SMA, this green line. This yellow line is my 150-day SMA. And this is my 200 SMAs, right? Now, as you can see here, right in this area, we had this nice little cross. Pretty much this wicked cross that has triggered this nasty sell-off, right? Nasty freaking sell-off. I mean, how bad was it? It was 27% sell-off, right? So we had that cross. What I notice here is that these SMAs are starting to fan out, right? Now, this is not 100%. What I'm about to say is not 100% for you to go run out and start playing puts or nothing like that. But when you start seeing these SMAs kind of like spread, like open up, right? Kind of like, let me give you an example. Like if we go back, let's go back a little bit before I get into that point, right? We go back some, get my pointer on. You can kind of see how they're pretty much parallel together, right? Riding the course on this uptrend, they holding tight, right? You see what I'm saying? Now you can kind of see them, they kind of spreading apart, right? Usually this triggers a downside, right? Again, don't run off and start buying all these puts because Shooter said that. But usually when you see that fan off, you start seeing these puts. Another indication or indicator that I'm using based off of the chart is this triple top right here, right? You have these triple top back in April 25th. You got a hit here. You got another hit on the 28th. And then you got another hit on May 3rd. All rejections, all pushed this down as well too. Big major supply area right here, right? So I'm really paying attention to this supply area. Why? Because here we are today. We tested that supply area. So I got this zone between 329 and 331, right? So we're here. If I zoom in, you can see we rejected it today and we're holding right above this 150 SMA as well too. So I'm super curious, and I'm not going to get bullish unless we break and hold this area, the previous supply zone from this triple top. I'm not going to get bullish. Now, I know what you're saying. Shooter, you said you wasn't going to get bullish and you think we're going to reverse once we pass this structure. Well, we passed the structure. We held that structure and we were able to print and still eat. Now we are here with another structure and it's heavy. You can see a lot of traffic here. It's a big structure, triple top, a lot of rejection here. It's important. It's important to look at your chart and try to find this heavy traffic areas. If we break this, hold, guess what? We have another area right here. So, right, it's always going to be some type of obstacle until we actually push higher and higher up. So, could the NASDAQ reject this these levels and push back down? Another thing to kind of look at. Now, if we're looking at the highs from last December, right? This trend line here, you know, you got several hits here. And then in March through April, we got rejections, several hits plus rejections. And here we are again. Now we've broken above it a little bit, but we have this 150 SMA as well too, which we rejected. Plus we have the supply area, previous supply area. We got a lot of variables here, right? The NASDAQ has been carrying us like LeBron and the Cavs playing against the Spurs in his first championship, carried them all the way to the chip, and they lost, right? Not saying that we're going to lose here, but I just want you guys to be aware. Is it time to start loading up the bags? I would wait. I would be patient. If you already got a large size, maybe it might be a good time to take a little profit just to secure yourself, right? You don't want to lose all this great profit, especially if you've been buying a dip, dollar cost averaging. You don't want to waste all your profit because if we reject this, we're going to crash pretty hard, right? To this next support, back to this previous structure, right? And that's about 312, 303, 312 area. So that's something to just kind of think about. Just put it in perspective, right? So that's the NASDAQ. But check it. The SPY, it's a little bit different here, right? So the SPY, like I mentioned in my Discord, I mentioned to everybody that it's been lagging. It's been super lagging. And that's because tech has been carrying us, right? Tech has been pushing us through. SPY has been kind of lagging, right? So SPY just now passing their first hurdle here, this supply area right here between call it 405 and 410. We've just now breaking through that right now. We rejecting the 150 as well too. We're starting to get we got a cross here at the 150 and the 200 as well previously. But we rejected it, the 150, and we could be pulling back to this 417 level as well too. Again, what do we see? We have another triple top right here at this 429 area, right? 429. But first, we need to see if we can hold this level or if we're going to reject this 150. If we push, we have more obstacles in front of us at 429.56, where we have this triple top, previous triple top right here. Again, we've been lagging in performance with the SPY as well too. So it's worth, you know, take a step back, look at the overall picture. I know we're excited, but we could see more push from the SPY than necessarily the NASDAQ is basically what I'm saying. Since it's been kind of lagging behind in its performance, we still got some room until we start getting into the next structure or the next triple top. Currently at 419, we're looking anywhere between 429 and 431. If we pull back at 417, start pumping through, you know, nice little, we break through, retest, breakthrough, you know, talked about that strategy, right? Be patient. See if we push through, pull back, and then rip through again, right? Or it could turn sour. We could push and break all the way back down, right? So you just want to, basically what I'm saying is just be patient, y'all. Be patient. If you want to buy shares, I wouldn't throw the whole bag at it. I would take my time. I would definitely average in, like I'm averaging in. And again, like I told you, I don't buy shares for myself. I'm buying them for my actual daughters, but I'm still being patient when I'm buying these shares, right? Looking at the chart, looking at good buy time, buying opportunities, and then also taking profits, right? Especially if you're sizing in with some good money and you're up, you know, a couple $100 here and there. Take some profits, man. Secure your bag. Be patient and wait. See what the market's going to do. See if we break through retest. See if we hold these key levels. See if we can break through these key levels. All I'm saying is just be cautious, guys. That's all I'm saying. Be cautious. I know it's exciting right now. Your dopamine and adrenaline just pumping through your body, and you just want to throw your money and everything. And think about who we are. We are retail investors. There's institutional money out there that's way bigger than our money. And they just waiting and constantly just waiting for us to throw more money, throw more money, throw more money, and then snatch it up. So be patient. That's all I'm saying. Be patient. You do what you want, you grown, but just, be patient. Stick to your rules. Don't FOMO buy. Don't buy into the hype. Always be unaware that things can turn south, right? We still haven't passed major levels yet. You can see on the spot, we still, from these highs, we still got some room to go, but we also got some major supply areas as well too. So just be a little cautious. That's all I'm saying, guys. You do what you want, do what you need, feel it's best. Just be cautious. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. I was just looking at the NASDAQ and the SPY. I always look at them before the next day, before the actual trading day happened. And I just kind of peeped this. So I want to kind of share with you guys. Hopefully you watch this video in time before the market opens. Again, if I earned you guys a like, if I earned a like, guys, please, hit the like. It helps the algorithm, helps get this good content out. If you feel it's a good content, share it with your friends, your mom, your dad, your baby mama, your side piece, whomever, right? Share it if you like it. And if you want to join the community, if you want to join the Earners Club, the link is in the bio. I have 4 different tiers. You pay me what you feel the value is worth, and you can cancel at any time. We're a tight-knit community. I keep it very small, under 100 people. The goal of it is always to try to share as much information for myself and my trading group to get you more comfortable, so educating you on financial literacy, so you can build that generational wealth, so you can get that financial freedom and be able to do things and make passive income and making, letting your money make money for you in your sleep. That's the biggest goal. And then put you on out in the street and let you do what you do. If you want to be part of that community, the link's in the bio, no pressure. If not, if you want to just tap in with the free content on YouTube, that's cool too. You know what I'm saying? Just, hit the like button for your boy. But yeah, that's my time, y'all. I appreciate y'all, appreciate the love, appreciate the comments, appreciate everything that you guys do. And ultimately, my message is just be smart and be patient. And let's just see, let's react and not try to ego trade and try to be I was the first one to the rejection. I was the first one to the breakout. No, man, we want to be the first one to our P&L goals, right? That's what we all about, making this back. So be very cautious. I want to see everybody win, have good green weeks, green days, consistent green days. Maybe take a couple of losses here, but more green than red days. You feel me? Anyways, I've been talking long enough, man. It's your boy Wall Street Shooter. And this is not financial advice. Peace and love, y'all.